Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and we are starting the India's Heroes series special personalities in the modern Indian history that we are going to cover. We all know that in prelims these days, since the last 4 years, prelims has been targeting the important personalities of modern Indian history, and based on their work, their contribution, their institutions, their books that they have written, questions are coming. So that is why we have decided that we are going to start the India's Heroes series, wherein we are going to cover all these special personalities of the modern Indian history. Okay, so today we are going to cover a very famous and very prominent, very compassionate special personality of modern Indian history, and that is Mr. Lala Lajpat Rai ji. He is one of the most compassionate, most fiery, motivated, dedicated to his nation, and he is a person who was also spiritual and was also, you can say, the spine of the nation. We know him from the acronym Lal Bal Pal, so let's study about him. The important contributions of Lalaji, the books that he wrote, the institutions that he founded, all of this we are going to cover from the aspect of prelims as well as mains. So what we are going to cover today, we are going to cover who was the Viceroy of India when partition of Bengal took place, objectives of Swadeshi movement, key contributions of Lal Bal Pal, important literary works of Lala Lajpat Rai ji. So these are the questions that they can ask you in prelims and mains. Also in mains, they can ask you discuss the key contributions of Lal Bal Pal to India's freedom struggle. So these are the type of questions that they can frame in UPSC in prelims and mains from the important special personalities courses, okay, that we are launching. तो इस तरीके के questions वो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. So before we start the class, we have a small announcement for all of you that is related to the price hike of Iconic subscription. Now with Unacademy's Iconic subscription, you can take your UPSC preparation to the next level. Here you will be getting a personal coach who will guide you throughout your journey from prelims till interview. Here you will be getting mains question and answer practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. You will be getting personalized one-on-one feedback also. Then here you will be getting study planner, experts guidelines. So if you want to take Iconic Plus subscription, the link is given below in the description box. The price is going to increase from 31st Jan 2021. So you can use code Sharma20 to get 10% discount. Get your Iconic subscription right now and start preparing. The link is given below in the description box. Let's start with the class. Now when we talk about Lala Lajpat Rai ji, he studied law. So he was a lawyer by profession. He studied law at the Government College in Lahore. He is also known as Punjab Kesari, and he was highly influenced by a very spiritual personality called Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Because he was influenced by Swami Dayananda Saraswati ji, he joined his institution called Arya Samaj in Lahore. And Lala Lajpat Rai ji, he believed in the ideals, in the spirit of Hinduism, and he combined the learning of Vedas with nationalism. And that is why he said that in India we should have a secular state. Secular means when you respect all the religions. Along with Bipin Chandra Pal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji, he formed the Lal Bal Pal trio of extremist leaders. So he was not a moderate. In prelims, they can confuse you by saying that Lala Lajpat Rai or Lal Bal Pal, they were moderates. No, they were not moderates, they were extremist. He was also involved with the Hindu Mahasabha, and he fought against untouchability as well. Because he was a preacher of secular state, he was against untouchability. He was one of the triumvirates of the Lal Bal Pal, and it includes Lal Bal Pal means Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal. Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji was from Maharashtra and Bipin Chandra Pal was from Bengal. Lala Lajpat Rai ji was from Punjab. You have to remember the states. They mobilized Indians across the countries. They preached the message of Vedas and motivated people to fight for the nation. They were also very active participants in involving Indians against the Bengal partition and in the Swadeshi movement. When we talk about the contributions of Lala Lajpat Rai ji, he founded many institutions like Hisar Bar Council because he was a lawyer by profession, Hisar Arya Samaj, Hisar Congress, National DAV Managing Committee. They were formed under the leadership of Lala Lajpat Rai ji. He also founded the school called Dayanand Anglo-Vedic School, which is known as DAV, in 1885 in Lahore, and remained a committed educationist through his life. So he was an educator by nature as well. He also founded Hindu Relief Movement in 1897. Now this is very important. When it comes to relief, this movement was to provide help to the famine-stricken people, thus preventing them falling into the clutches of the missionaries. Indian Home Rule League of America was founded by Lala Lajpat Rai ji in America in the New York City in 1917. Then he was also elected as the president of INC in the Kolkata session when Mahatma Gandhi ji launched his non-cooperation movement. He also opposed the Simon Commission in 1928. He also made people aware that Simon Commission is not for our benefit. They have no Indian member in the commission and they are against our freedom. When we talk about Lala Lajpat Rai ji's role in Swadeshi movement, he was the one who mobilized people in the Swadeshi movement. He was the one who also participated and made others participate in the movement. Here we see Lala Lajpat Rai ji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak ji and Bipin Chandra Pal ji who advocated the use of Swadeshi goods, that is Indian goods. They participated in the mass agitation. And in 1913, he also set out for a lecture tour to Japan, England and US. But he was forced to stay put abroad only after World War I so that he could not come to India and mobilize people, empower people. Right? He was also associated with INC, we have discussed. He was the president in the Kolkata session. When we talk about his literary works, we find that he knew English and Urdu and he was actively involved in politics. His important works are The Arya Samaj, Young India, England's Debt to India, Evolution of Japan, India's Will to Freedom, Message of Bhagavad Gita, Political Future of India, Problem of National Education in India, Depressed Classes, and Travelogue, The United States of America. These are the books that he wrote. You have to remember the writer of these books, that is Lala Lajpat Rai ji. Now, when we talk about his death, we know that Rai ji was among the leaders of the movement against the Simon Commission. He was opposing the commission and he was severely met with lathi charge, because of which he dies. It was after this that Rai ji famously said, "The blows struck at me today will be the last nails in the coffin of British rule in India." And after a few days, he left his body. So this was his legacy. This was the person, this was the hero of India who sacrificed his own life for all of us. So we'll continue with such other personalities. This is Mr. Lala Lajpat Rai ji for all of you. Thank you.